Hello guys, I'm Mr.Mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to design this 3D model in SolidWorks, and here we have the dimensions. This is the top view of the model and this is the right view. Firstly, we draw the sketch of the top view, then we will extrude the sketch. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and post your comments. Your subscription, your comments give me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. So let's get started as soon as possible. Here we have the dimensions. First, you have to close this model. For closing the model, just come here and click on close. Now I have to make a new part. For making a new part, just come here and click on new part. Okay, now we have a new part. You have to draw the sketch of the top view, so we need a plane. At first it doesn't matter which plane you choose, but I suggest you to choose the front plane. So click on front plane and here click on a sketch. Now we have open a sketch. You can see the sketch here is open. Firstly, we have to draw a circle. So here choose circle, 2-point circle, and I start drawing the circle from the origin point. So I draw a circle here and I right click and select. Now you have to draw a 3-point arc, and I draw an arc here and I right click and select. Now we have to make the center of these two entities merged. So I hold the control button and I choose this arc and the circle here, and I give it concentric relation. Yes, and now we have to draw two lines. So I start drawing the line from this side of the arc and I draw a horizontal line. So you can see as I move the line, a yellow symbol here appears. It means that if I click on the screen, the horizontal relation will be applied to my line. And I do the same thing here. I draw a horizontal line. And now I draw a ellipse. So here choose ellipse and draw an ellipse here. And right click and select to exit the ellipse. Now hold the control button and choose this point and the ellipse and give it coincidence relation. Coincidence relation, and do the same thing here. Coincidence relation. These two lines have the same dimension, so choose these two lines and give it equal equal relation. And this line must be tangent to this arc. So hold the control button and choose these two entities, and in a relation give it tangent relation. And hold the control button and choose this point and the origin point and give it horizontal relation. Now choose the smart dimension. The dimension of this circle is 34 millimeter and the radius of this arc is 25 millimeter. And the dimension from this point to this point is 90 millimeter. And now we have to draw these lines here. So start drawing the line from this side of the ellipse and draw a horizontal line and press the escape button. Now choose 3-point arc and we have to draw an arc here. And choose line and connect the arc to the ellipse and right click and select. Now choose these two lines and give it equal relation. Choose trim entities and trim this part and this part. And now choose the smart dimension. The radius of this arc is 32 millimeter. And the dimension from this point to this point is, I think, 20 millimeter. Yes, it is 20 millimeter. And hold the control button and choose this point and the origin point and give it horizontal relation. Yes, and choose the smart dimension. The dimension from this point to the center of the ellipse is I think 13.8 millimeter. Yes, and the dimension from the dimension of, yes, I think this is the center of the yes, this is the center of our arc. So the dimension from the center of the arc and to the origin point is 164.9 millimeter. Yes, that's true. And the sketch is not still fully defined because it is still moving. Let me see what's the problem here. The sketch is still moving. The dimension here And let me see what's the problem. You can see the sketch is not still fully fine because the sketch is moving, and yes, the dimension from this point to the point here is 20 millimeter. 20, I think 6 millimeter. Yes, it is 26 millimeter. Oops, no, 26 millimeter. Yes. And the sketch is full defined and everything is black. I think we should turn off the sketch view relations and the dimensions. Yes. Now it's much better to see the sketch. You can see everything is fully defined and my sketch is not moving. Sorry. Here comes to the feature. If you don't have the feature tab, right click and you can turn on or turn off the feature tab. Here come to the feature and extruded boss and base, and in selected contour choose this region, and you have to extrude the sketch about 10 millimeter. The thickness of the model is 10 millimeter. Don't turn on these two options. Here must be a sketch plane, yes, and click on OK. Now here we have the model. Now all we have to do is just choose a good view. So in view orientation, you can change many different views. For example, I think this view is better. And in edit appearance, we can give it a color. For example, we can change the color of the whole extrusion to orange is better, I think. So here, firstly, choose the boss extrude, and in edit appearance, we can change the color to orange, for example. Orange, yes. Or we can change the color of the surfaces. For example, we can change the color of this surface to red, for example. Yes, red. And okay, please practice at home. I will leave the link of the these dimensions in the caption, and please practice at home and do it yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments or subscription. Your comments give me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.